vacuum the house.
I got an idea. We need an assistant.
Assistant?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Oh, great. I got three now. Oh.
Neatsvor X600Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner keeps our room neat and tidy all the time. There is no place like home. A clean house is to protect the health of yourself and your family, especially kids.
Cool, né?
Ow.
Need to have, especially when you have a pet in house too. A neat house gives you good feeling, makes you feel refreshed and happy. Enjoy your time. Just sit and do your things. Let it vacuum and clean automatically. Save your time. Welcome to Happy Dutch Family with Khoa and Mr Bean Holland and two sons. Happy mother, happy family, happy world. Happiness is created from a smallest thing. The past is the history, the present is the gift, the future is the magic. We are here with all of you to do meaningful things. Thank you.
Is it for Mr Bean Holland or for Spider-Man? Spider-Man or Mr Bean?
This is a packet in a package.
Yeah.
Oh.
What's this?
Wow. So heavy of you. Is it heavy?
Man body,
Whoa.
water tank component,
Yeah.
power adapter,
Shush.
main body, laser components,
Yeah, here. Neatsvor. And our has knit. What? You go to the bus.
charging base. Neatsvor Robot Vacuum Cleaner can be charged automatically or manually. Water tank component, mop,
Cool. It's so cool.
Ew.
Okay, clean. Yeah, this one to change.
operating duration 150 to 180 minutes, charging duration 240 to 360 minutes, charged for 12 hours for the first time of operation.
So let's try.
Cleaning tool,
Clean up. Clean.
high efficient filter,
How many?
side brushes,
Instruction.
Mama.
Glass. Finish.
Me.
You need to read it to know how to use it. Instruction manual. And we choose English. Yeah. Wi-Fi setup.
Ew. He.
Review.
dashboard, a water tank release button,
Let's see it. Yeah. Let's see what we have here.
Mama?
Yeah.
power switch, DC power jack, control button, Wi-Fi indicator,
Well,
it's not noisy while working, it's simple to use.
Recharging.
A meaningful gift for yourself, and oh man, that's the ideal gift for your wife.
Yeah.
Nè. Nè.
It's suitable for cleaning house, hotel rooms, small office with wooden floor, hard floor, tile floor, shop pile carpets shorter than 1.5 centimeter.
Tôi đâu tôi ra nè. Ông đi ra chứ. You look at me.
Bạn.
No. My beautiful. No, no.
What are you eating?
Candy.
Oh man, eat candy. Oh man. Oh, finish.
Nè. Don't let him come here. They back you.
Wonderful AI technology. We wish it could say hello, goodbye, good night, etc.
What?
Don't eat my feet. Don't eat my feet. Don't do that.
Very clean. Wet.
There's no fishes.
Thank you, our assistant, Neatsvor X600Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Few kiss too.
Feel also kiss?
Our Superman.
No.
Hey, not there.
No. Don't push.
So-
My new housewife. No?
He said no.
But